Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to glue on Hotfix Rhinestones on genuine leather and foul leather. I have two tutorials how to glue on Hotfix Rhinestones on a fabric. I will link them both on the description box. Now I'll show you how to glue on Hotfix Rhinestones on genuine leather. So this is genuine leather, and on foul leather, looks like that. And I will be using these Hotfix Rhinestones, which are glass rhinestones, and they have a black glue at the back. So this is the top and black glue at the back, and I'll be using this Hotfix applicator tool, which looks like that. Also, I'll be using this Rhinestone Picker Pen, which picks the rhinestones very easily, as you can see here. I bought my Hotfix applicator tool on Amazon, and it looks like that. At the moment it is turned off, as you can see here, and this applicator tool came with loads of different nozzle tips which have different ends and shapes for different rhinestones, Hotfix rhinestones. And on today's tutorial I'll be using this 4mm nozzle tip which matches my rhinestones. So the size is same as my Hotfix rhinestones. So my applicator tool is turned off. Now I'm screwing my nozzle tip on my applicator tool like that. And now I'm turning on my applicator tool, and I will leave this applicator tool to heat up for 4 minutes. So it's been 4 minutes and my applicator tool is hot now. So this nozzle is really hot now, so I have to be very careful. So I'm leaving this applicator tool on this stand. So this is this applicator tool stand, so it's resting there. First, I'll show you how to glue on Hotfix rhinestones on genuine leather. My genuine leather piece is on a mat, so it protects my table when I use my Hotfix applicator tool. I'm using my rhinestone pen, and I'm picking up the rhinestone, and I'm placing this rhinestone on a genuine leather there. And now I'm using my Hotfix applicator tool this way, and I'm gluing this Hotfix rhinestone on a genuine leather. And I'm pressing down applicator tool on a Hotfix rhinestone for approximately 15 seconds. I have fast forwarded this video part so you don't have to wait, and this is my first Hotfix rhinestone glued on genuine leather, and it looks like that. Looks quite secure and it's glued properly, so I'm happy with that. Next, I will glue on Hotfix rhinestones on this foul leather. I'm using my rhinestone pen again, and I'm placing this Hotfix rhinestone on a leather there, and I'll repeat the same process as I did with genuine leather. So here's my first rhinestone glued on foul leather, as you can see here. And it looks like the glue has melted a little bit. That means the rhinestone has slipped on a foul leather. So I was pushing quite hard with this nozzle tip on a rhinestone. That's why the rhinestone has slipped and the glue is showing there. So I'll try another rhinestone, and this time I will hold this applicator tool down for 10 seconds, and I will press it down gently so the rhinestone doesn't slip. So this is how it looks, and it looks much better and neater, so you don't see any glue melted around the rhinestone as it was on a silver one. I will try another rhinestone, the silver one, and I will repeat the same process. I will hold down for 10 seconds very gently so it doesn't slip on a foul leather. And again, it looks much better than the first silver rhinestone. So my advice is to press down nozzle tip very gently on the rhinestones. So I'll try another rhinestone just to make sure. I'm pressing this nozzle tip on the Hotfix rhinestone very gently, and this is how it looks. So last 3 rhinestones I pressed for 10 seconds, and I pressed applicator tool very gently on, and they look really good. The first one I pressed for 15 seconds and I pressed the applicator tool quite hard. That's why this rhinestone slipped and glue is showing. If you are planning to glue Hotfix rhinestones on a leather, I would highly recommend to practice first on a leather scrap pieces. If you have any questions how to glue on Hotfix rhinestones on a genuine leather or faux leather, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.